In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Git and GitHub to create software repositories for files you have stored on Colonial One. The commands that we'll look at today are init, add, commit, push, and remote add. So here I am logged into Colonial One, and I'm in a directory in which I have some source files that I want to get onto Colonial One. In order to use the Git module, I have to load it first. So, first thing, module load Git. And let's check to make sure that our module has loaded. So now that I have the Git module loaded, and I'm in the directory containing the software that I want to upload, let's cruise over to GitHub and sign in. If you don't have your GitHub account created yet, now's the time to do that. So here I am at my Git homepage. I come over here to the right-hand side at the top and select Create New Repository. Git wants to know what to name this repository. It makes good sense to name your project after the top-level directory in your project. In my case, it's mpi_manage_single. The repository has been created, but it's still empty. I have to add my files to it. If you're unfamiliar with Git and GitHub, you're in luck, because on the left-hand side are the exact commands that we need to execute in order to set up our repository. So, first thing, git init. And we see that this creates a .git directory, which is a hidden directory underneath our upper-level directory, mpi manage single. The next step is to tell Git what files we want to upload. In the example on the left, they're uploading a readme.md file. Instead, I'm going to use the asterisk, which is a variable that means everything. So I'm saying git add everything. Okay, so far so good. Now I need to name my commit. So git commit -m and then the comment I want to include with this commit. And you see all the files that are about to be pushed have been queued up. Now, in order to get these files onto the GitHub repository, I have to tell Git where GitHub is. In other words, what URL. So that's what this line is for. Let me move my window out of the way. That's what this line is for. Now finally, it's time to send the data over to GitHub. Git push -u origin master. I'll be prompted for my GitHub username, which in my case is this. And then I'm prompted for my password. And it looks like it was a success. So now if I come back over to GitHub and reload my page, I find that the push was successful, and indeed, here are my files now on GitHub.